South Dakota Attorney General Jason Brownsburg will not be present during his scheduled first court appearance tomorrow in Hughes County.
His attorney, Tim Wrench, tells Couple Land News that he'll be appearing on Brownsburg's behalf without his presence, which is standard with Class 2 misdemeanors. Brownsburg is facing 3 misdemeanor charges in connection with hitting and killing a Highmore man with his car last September. The case has made national news, and tomorrow's corporate appearance will also be the focus of a lot of media attention, as we'll be able to get an audio recording of the proceedings. It was on this stretch of Highway 14 that Jason Brownsburg hit and killed Joe Beaver of Highmore. Brownsburg told investigators during a lengthy interview he knew he hit something that night, but wasn't sure what it was.
One of the other things that we know, Jason, is you weren't in the middle of the road. You were on the shoulder.
Brownsburg told them he thought he possibly hit a deer.
Joe and I have done this job a long time. We know what the evidence is going to show us, what the evidence does show us.
I don't remember. I remember being in the road.
Investigators also say Beaver had been walking along the side of the road that night carrying a flashlight.
After the crash, did you see that light in the dark? Because it's pitch dark. If there's something glowing,
right,
it would make sense for you to see it.
Right. I did not see any light, no.
Brownsburg found out what he'd hit the next day when he returned to the scene and found Beaver's body still lying in the ditch. Investigators say Brownsburg had been on his phone that night after returning home from a Republican event in Redfield, but it was prior to the crash. Toxicology tests that were taken several hours after the crash show Brownsburg had not been drinking. South Dakota Governor Kristi Noem and 3 law enforcement agencies from across the state have all called on Brownsburg to resign. But at this point, he's indicated he won't. While a judge has ordered that the interrogation video of Brownsburg be taken down from a state website and no other evidence should be released to the public, the judge has granted audio recordings from tomorrow's proceedings to be released to the media. Now, Brownsburg's appearance is scheduled for 4 o'clock Central Time. Keloland News will be in the courtroom, and we'll have a full report on air and online.